Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about mobile optimization SEO, a topic that's becoming more and more important as the world becomes increasingly mobile-centric. First of all, what is mobile optimization SEO? Well, simply put, it's the process of optimizing your website for mobile devices in order to improve its search engine rankings. Why is this important? Because more and more people are using their mobile devices to search for information online, and search engines like Google are taking notice. So, what can you do to optimize your website for mobile devices? Here are some tips. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly. This means it should be easy to read and navigate on a smaller screen, with large text and buttons that are easy to tap with a finger. Use responsive design. This means your website will automatically adjust its layout and content to fit the screen size of the device it's being viewed on. Optimize your images. Large, high-resolution images can slow down your website's loading speed, which can hurt your search engine rankings. Make sure your images are optimized for the web, and use compression tools to reduce their file size. Use structured data. This is a way of labeling your website's content so that search engines can understand it better. This can help improve your search engine rankings and make your website more visible to users. Make sure your website is fast. Mobile users expect fast loading pages, so make sure your website is optimized for speed. This can include things like minimizing your code, compressing your files, and using a content delivery network, CDN. These are just a few tips to help you optimize your website for mobile devices. Remember, the key is to make your website easy to use and navigate on a smaller screen, and to ensure it loads quickly and efficiently. Now, let's expand on these tips with some additional information. Use a mobile-first approach. This means designing your website with mobile devices in mind first, rather than as an afterthought. This can help ensure that your website is optimized for mobile users from the get-go. Use Google's mobile-friendly test. Google offers a free tool that allows you to test whether your website is mobile-friendly. Simply enter your website's URL and the tool will analyze it for you, highlighting any issues that need to be addressed. Use a responsive theme. If you're using a content management system, CMS, like WordPress, make sure you're using a responsive theme that will automatically adjust your website's layout and content to fit the screen size of the device it's being viewed on. Optimize your content. Make sure your website's content is easy to read and understand on a smaller screen. This can include things like using shorter paragraphs, breaking up your text with subheadings, and using bullet points or numbered lists. Use LocalSEO. If you're a local business, make sure you're optimizing your website for local search. This can include things like using local keywords in your content, claiming your Google My Business listing, and ensuring your website includes your business's name, address, and phone number, NAP. Monitor your website's performance. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website's performance, including its loading speed and bounce rate. This can help you identify areas for improvement and make changes to your website as needed. Consider using AMP. AMP, Accelerated Mobile Pages, is a technology that can help improve your website's loading speed on mobile devices. It does this by simplifying your website's code and using Google servers to cache your content. While implementing AMP can be a technical process, it can be worth it if you're looking to provide a better user experience for mobile users. Optimize your meta tags. Your website's meta tags, including the title tag and meta description, are important for SEO. Make sure your tags are optimized for mobile users by keeping them short and sweet, around 60 characters or less for the title tag and 155 characters or less for the meta description. Use mobile-friendly plugins. If you're using a CMS like WordPress, make sure you're using mobile-friendly plugins that are optimized for smaller screens. This can help ensure that your website is easy to use and navigate on mobile devices. Ensure your website is secure. Security is important for all websites, but it's especially important for mobile users. Make sure your website is secure by using HTTPS, SSL, encryption, which will protect your users' data and provide a more secure browsing experience. Optimize your local listings. If you have a physical location, make sure your local listings on sites like Google My Business and Yelp are up to date and accurate. This can help improve your visibility in local search results and make it easier for users to find your business. Use mobile-friendly fonts. Some fonts can be difficult to read on smaller screens, so make sure you're using mobile-friendly fonts that are easy to read on a smaller screen. This can include fonts like Arial, Verdana, and Times New Roman. Consider using voice search optimization. As more and more users use voice search to find information online, optimizing your website for voice search can help improve your visibility in search results. This can include things like using natural language in your content and optimizing for long-tail keywords. Use social media to promote your website. Social media can be a great way to drive traffic to your website and improve your search engine rankings. Make sure your social media profiles are optimized for mobile users and that you're posting regularly to engage your audience. Test your website on multiple devices. Finally, make sure you're testing your website on multiple devices to ensure it's optimized for a variety of screen sizes and types. This can include testing on smartphones, tablets, and even smartwatches. So, those are some additional tips for optimizing your website for mobile devices. Remember, Mobile Optimization SEO is all about making your website easy to use and navigate on a smaller screen, and ensuring it loads quickly and efficiently. By following these tips, you can improve your search engine rankings and provide a better user experience for your mobile users. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And as always, thanks for watching.